Hey, so I just wanted to give you guys an update about how my skin is doing with the breakouts and irritations and redness and such. I have a skincare video about what I use to wash and then moisturize my face daily and how I exfoliate and what I exfoliate with. So I decided the past 2 days to not put any concealer or foundation on my face. As you can see, I definitely don't have that under eye stuff, and you can tell I don't have any on my face, but it's much less red. There's no raised anything than it was a day or two ago. So we're already doing well. We're in the healing phase. So what I did this morning was I woke up, I just used a light micellar water because I had exfoliated extensively last night. So this morning I just used the micellar water with some with a warm washcloth after it. And then I just used this product, which I really like. It's very gentle, and it still is an anti-wrinkle. So it still does have AHAs and collagen. So it will help with breakouts and stuff like that, as well as controlling aging. So I used that this morning. It's a little bit more gentle than my vitamin C drops and the vitamin C drops from Radha and the retinol from Radha. So taking a little break on that. I'm just doing that at night now, and in the morning I'm using the Pond's. So my skin is looking on the road to recovery. I'm gonna go out and get some sunshine today, put a light SPF on, but vitamin D is very important to keeping your skin clear as well. And I will run my errands pretty much like this. So just wanted to give you guys an update on what I do when my skin does get out of line.